In this video, I'm going to show you how to find story templates on Instagram. It's pretty easy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Open up the Instagram app. We have a couple different options here, so we'll walk through them all. Let's start by hitting the plus at the bottom. Now swipe across the story. One option is to click on the create. And at the bottom, you can swipe over to a few templates for happy birthday or adding a GIF. And at the very top, you can click on the sticker and you have quite a few options of adding music, links, etc. Let's say we add yours template. At the bottom, you can hit the dice to swap it out for different ones. Another option is to hop at its menu and head over to Reel and tap on templates at the top. Scroll through and find a reel that you like. What we'll do is save the reel template to our device and upload that as a story. So let's select this template and hit add media. And after adding the following photos or videos, hit next. And you can see the download button at the top. Tap download and you'll be prompted to save without audio. That's okay because we can always add music later. Now this reel is saved to your device. Back out of here and go back to story. And hit the icon on the bottom left, which is media from your device, and upload the reel you just created as a story. I hope this helps, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out.